In this video, we listed the 5 best drone under $200 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. V168 Original GPS Drone. The On Aliexpress camera drone is a robust and feature-packed aerial photography device designed to capture high-quality footage with its 8K HD video recording capabilities. With a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram and a wind speed resistance of under 10 km per h, this drone is suitable for stable flights in mild conditions. Equipped with GPS for precise positioning and a 2.4 GHz operating frequency, it offers reliable connectivity and control. The drone has a flight time of 22 minutes on a 2000 mAh removable battery and supports remote control via an app and Wi-Fi connection. It is ideal for aerial photography, boasting certification for CE compliance and a camera integration that includes various features for capturing stunning visuals. The On Aliexpress drone is a versatile and capable option for enthusiasts looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography skills. Number 2. ZLL SG907 Max GPS Drone. The SG907 Max drone is a versatile and feature-rich aerial photography device equipped with a 3-axis self-stabilizing gimbal and a 4K movie-grade camera. Weighing just 306 grams with the battery inside, this drone is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. It features GPS functionality for easy return to the takeoff point and smart follow capabilities, allowing the aircraft to follow a mobile phone once linked to GPS. Other notable features include image following, gesture shooting recognition, multi-point planning flight, spot surround, and aircraft recovery function. With a flight time of approximately 25 minutes and a control distance of 800 meters, the SG907 Max offers ample opportunities for aerial exploration. The drone supports various MV features like filters, video effects, and background music, enhancing the creativity of your aerial shots. With a range of specifications and certifications like CE compliance, this drone is suitable for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experts, looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography skills. Number 3. L900 Pro SE Max GPS Drone. The L900 Pro SE Max drone is a lightweight and versatile aerial photography device weighing 242.6 grams, suitable for indoor and outdoor use with its 4K UHD video capture resolution. Featuring an anti-wind ability of 5, this drone is equipped with a brushless motor and a 7V350 mAh controller battery, offering a flight time of 20 minutes and a control distance of 1200 meters. With certifications like CE compliance and various features including obstacle avoidance, GPS, and integrated camera, the L900 Pro SE Max drone caters to operators of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. This drone, designed for users aged 14 and above, comes with a range of features like app-controlled operation, auto-return, follow-me function, and FPV capability, making it a reliable and user-friendly choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 4. CFLY Faith Mini Drone. The CFLY AI drone series, including models like Faith Mini, Faith 2 Mini, and Faith 2 Mini, offers high-quality aerial photography capabilities with advanced features and specifications. With a flight weight of 230 g and a flight time of up to 26 minutes, these drones are equipped with a 3-axis gimbal camera stabilization system and a 4K HD video recording camera. The drones feature a 1/3 0-inch sensor size, Sony 1/3 0.6 CMO sensor, and Ambarella A12 main control system, ensuring smooth and stable flight performance. Operating on a 5.8 GHz frequency with a transmission range of 3000 m, these drones support connectivity via APP controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection. With a maximum altitude of 4000 m and maximum horizontal speed of 14 m/s, the CFLY AI drones offer precise and dynamic aerial photography experiences. Certified with CE and FCC compliance, these quadcopter drones from mainland China are designed for users seeking professional-grade aerial photography solutions with features like expandable storage, 3-axis gimbal camera mount, and GPS optical flow ultrasonic positioning capabilities. Number 5. RG101 Pro GPS Drone. The RG101 PRO helicopter drone from mainland China is a versatile and user-friendly device suitable for operators of all skill levels, including beginners, intermediates, and experts. Weighing 200 g and featuring a 2-axis gimbal camera mount, this drone offers a video capture resolution of 4K UHD for high-quality aerial photography. With features like app-controlled operation, auto-return, follow-me function, FPV capability, GPS, integrated camera, obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi connectivity, this drone provides a comprehensive and engaging flying experience. The drone comes ready to go and is made of plastic material, packaged in its original box. It is powered by a brushless motor and a 4V 3800 mAh electric charging voltage, offering a flight time of 20 minutes and a remote distance of 3000 m. Certified with CE compliance and designed for users aged 14 and above, the RG101 PRO drone is a reliable choice for indoor and outdoor aerial photography adventures.